how to add payment method on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add payment method in Temu's website. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and go to Temu's official website. Then go to orders and accounts in the top right and head over to your profile. So once you're there on the left hand side, you can see your payment methods. Just tap on it and you'll get an option to add a credit or debit card. Just tap on it and then you'll need to put in the card number, the expiration date, your CVV number, your billing address, and just add your card. So you can see what card the Temu supports. You can choose any of it. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.